In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Manychat for Instagram. Whether you're a business owner, a marketer, or just interested in interacting more efficiently with your Instagram audience, Manychat can be a game changer. Let's walk through the process together to get you up and running smoothly. First, head over to the Manychat website. If you're new to Manychat, you'll want to click on the Get Started button. This will take you to the initial setup screen where you can choose the platform you want to connect. Once there, you'll see a list of various channels available. In this case, you want to select Instagram from this list. By doing so, you're telling Manychat that you want to connect this particular social media account to their service. Next up, you'll need to follow the prompts to link your Facebook account. This step is crucial because Instagram is owned by Facebook, and linking your accounts allows for seamless integration between these platforms. You may need to log into your Facebook account if you aren't already. Once you're set, it's time to add a new account. Click on Add New Account from the Manychat interface, and this action allows you to pick the specific Instagram account you wish to connect. From the options presented, click on Instagram. Manychat will direct you to a new screen where you'll see an option that says Go to Instagram. Clicking this will open a pop-up window prompting you to log into your Instagram account. Make sure you provide permission requests, as this is essential for Manychat to function properly. At this stage, Instagram will ask you a set of questions. These might include inquiries about your business or your objectives using Manychat. Take your time here and be honest and thoughtful in your responses, as these help tailor Manychat's functionality to your specific needs. Once you've answered the questions and ensured everything is correctly set, go ahead and click on Get Started. Now we want to customize some settings within Manychat to optimize how interactions are handled. Head over to the Settings tab and then select Live Chat Behavior. Set the behavior to Conversation should be opened explicitly. This adjustment controls when and how conversations are initiated. To verify that everything is working correctly, you'll want to confirm that Manychat can access your messages on Instagram. To do this, open your professional account on Instagram, navigate to Settings and select Activity. From there, go to Messages and Story Replies. Then under Message Controls, ensure you allow access by selecting Connected Tools. Within this section, make sure that access to messages is indeed turned on. And there you have it, you've now successfully set up Manychat for your Instagram account, ushering in a new wave of interaction capabilities with your audience. Play around with all the features Manychat offers and start automating those conversations efficiently. Thanks for tuning in and happy chatting.